you guys. You know when you're there. Well, I got a little fire coming out of the turning. Five of them. Okay, 3, 4, 5. I couldn't see the other side of the ring. I thought you were having trouble with the intake. You couldn't go in more now, I couldn't get my shoe off. Steering shot, he can't turn. If he gets a hit in though, he's known that he can take. I think we got hit. Now to see. Who's all left, Chris? Tweedy. Does a freeze on or these guys are not fooling around anymore. They're not fooling around. Okay. Alright. I think we got 3. We're looking like we might have figured out who the third guy is, but no pressure. Start that thing up. The old beam, you just got to get it on and hit somebody. Pump. We're going to miss. My truck didn't start at all. You pump. I think that truck we just got turned into a machine. Down to 2. Well, these guys are back. Oh, he's still got 3. Oh, 3. Joel still going. Yeah, he just has his little. They're down to 2. Down to 2. Down to 2. So, it's like third place. Joel will be third place, Chris. You want to write that down? Got it. You got it. Wow. Look at these two now. Oh. Get away! Line right and smack. Okay. There we go. There's a little different cutting nose going on. Little going on. on, guys. Cheer on. The jacket is your segment. Okay. Guys, we gotta wrap this up. I know you're having fun, but...
All right, boys, enough of this cat and mouse. Let's see it.
That's it.
Let's see it. Woo! Swing of it. Missed somebody. What is that?
Get her down, Joe. We got to do it. We'll be back next year. Guys, these drivers with the flags go, they're kind of sitting there heartbroken, so I hope we give them a quick round when we're over. These guys are younger than us. I think there's going to be a finishing hit right here. I think this is going to be... All right. It's a case of either get that thing going or what do you Hurry, Reckle, who's selling? Mentee number 50, who's going to call? What's going to happen here? Come on, fire that thing up. Let's go! Fire it up.
All right, everybody, let's hear you. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Here we go.
Get her going. Hey! Parkside in the new game. 2 starters left. Oh, there, okay. Oh, can't steer so good. You can only go that one kind of semi-circle.
I was just, as that front went I was just looking at the dash and I noticed the check engine lights on.
The check engine lights out. Oh! Jeez. I don't think either one of them, I think they're both very capable. I don't think the trucks can steer very good. Look at it. Now there's a little crash talk. We should have them mic'd up next year, Steve. Yeah, I don't know if we want to mic them up.
Hey, Steve, why don't you jump in there, buddy?
We could mic them up, Steve.
It is a family show, yeah.
I'm sure they're family guys. Uh-oh. Now this is going to be up to the judges here if we don't hear some noise.
Hey, Lyndon, there's only 2 trucks left. You
Two
jump
trucks.
the box of one, I'll jump in the box of the other.
Let's make it interesting. Put some wagers on it.
Let's hear you, ladies
Come
and
on,
gentlemen.
everybody,
Get
let's
them
go.
started. Get them started. Start them up, boys. There you go. There you go. No, you can't steer in them, though. What? Oh, but can't find them grinding. That's what Chris says. Or make a new one.
Once again, we have a conundrum.
Oh, what's the conundrum?
Okay, shut her down, shut her down.
I do believe we have our winner.
We got our first, second, and third place.